7-Day Nose Blackhead Removal Challenge. Before-after transformation, blackheads on the nose are one of the most stubborn skincare problems. Many people try quick fixes like pore strips or squeezing, but the results are usually temporary and sometimes damaging. The idea behind a 7-day nose blackhead removal challenge is not to magically erase pores in a week, but to deeply clean and improve how the pores look and behave over time. With the right routine, you can reduce oil buildup, clear congestion, and visibly improve skin texture in just 7 days. Blackheads form when pores get clogged with excess sebum, dead skin cells, and dirt. When this mixture is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns dark. This is why blackheads appear black on the surface. The nose is especially prone to blackheads because it has more oil glands compared to other parts of the face. During the 7-day challenge, the goal is to gradually control oil production and gently clear these clogged pores instead of forcing them out aggressively. Day 1 of the challenge usually starts with deep cleansing. A gentle cleanser helps remove surface oil without stripping the skin barrier. Over-cleansing is a mistake because it can trigger even more oil production. Many people think strong scrubbing removes blackheads faster, but in reality, it damages the skin and makes pores more visible. The key is consistency, not intensity. From day 2 to day 3, exfoliation becomes important. Ingredients like salicylic acid help penetrate deep into pores and break down the oil and dead skin buildup inside them. Unlike physical scrubs, chemical exfoliants work inside the pore rather than just the surface. This is where blackheads start to look slightly reduced and skin begins to feel smoother. By day 4, oil control starts becoming noticeable. The skin produces less excess sebum, which means fewer fresh blackheads are forming. Niacinamide is often used in this stage because it helps balance oil production and reduce pore appearance. At this point, old blackheads may still be visible, but new ones are forming more slowly. Day 5 is usually when people feel tempted to squeeze or extract blackheads manually because they still see clogged pores. However, this is the most critical stage where patience matters. Forceful extraction can cause irritation, redness, and even permanent pore enlargement. Instead, gentle steam or warm compress can help loosen impurities naturally. By day 6, the skin starts showing visible improvement. Pores look cleaner, and the black dots appear less intense. However, sebaceous filaments may still be visible because they are a natural part of the skin. Many people confuse them with blackheads, but they return naturally even after cleaning. This is completely normal and should not be aggressively treated. Day 7 is the final comparison stage. The before and after difference is usually not about completely poreless skin, but about smoother texture, reduced congestion, and improved clarity. The nose looks cleaner, less oily, and more refined. This shows that consistent skincare is more powerful than aggressive extraction methods. The biggest takeaway from this 7-day challenge is that blackhead removal is not a one-time fix. It is a continuous process of managing oil, cleansing pores, and protecting the skin barrier. When people understand this, they stop damaging their skin with harsh treatments and start focusing on long-term results instead. A 7-day blackhead challenge can improve your skin, but real results come from consistency, not shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.